Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to episode number 45 of Optimization by Oliver. I picked Nutrisense today because I'm fascinated by this niche, by their product. They sell nutrition plans online since 2019. They've done in excess of $50 million in revenue, and I actually still think they could squeeze way more out of the clicks that go to their website. So I'm going to show you 3 pages that I've picked. I'm going to show you before and after designs, and I'm going to show you what I would do if I was hired to generate them more money. Okay, so let's start with the home page, and point number 1, you can quite clearly see we have optimized the headline. So ours reads optimize daily health with blood glucose management. Theirs reads engage with your blood glucose levels. Notice how ours mentions the outcome, the benefit of using the product, the optimization of your daily health, and that is crucial to writing a high converting headline or value proposition. Point number 2 is we've made the call to action way more visual and just way more clickable. If you look in the previous design, they've chosen a small pill-sized button on an opaque type background where basically the white text just blends in with the background and it's not standing out enough, versus ours where we've just darkened that background and really enhanced the color of the call to action. It's way more likely to get clicked. Point number 3 is we've anchored that call to action with some much needed social proof. These guys have so much real estate left empty above the fold, lacking in conversion principles. One of the big ones and one box that you need to tick is that of social proof, so we've just added that in. And point number 4, we've used text and images to showcase the value of Nutrisense's brand. We've used text and icons to showcase things like free shipping, that they've worked with over 30,000 members, and that they have the correct authority and credibility to be serving these nutritional plans for you. Okay, moving on to page 2, and these guys use a very clever quiz funnel. It's really good with a product like Nutrisense to use a quiz funnel to basically if condition your customers and suit them with a package that's proven to work for them. It's a really good angle. However, they've under optimized this page. We start with number 1, we've added a clear headline. The headline explains exactly what's going to happen when they fill in this quiz. Point number 2 is we've used a progress bar. It's really important on any type of multi-step funnel to actually mention what step the customer's on. This saves them getting frustrated, exiting mid-funnel because they just don't know when it's going to end. Point number 3 is you can see we clearly mentioned the time. We've said that this only takes roughly 3 minutes. Again, you're not keeping your customers guessing. You're being very upfront and open with them. Therefore, they know it's only going to take me 3 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and fill in this form. If you don't put that and you don't put the steps, people might think this might take 20 minutes and therefore won't fill it in right here and right now. Number 4 is we've used icons next to each selection on the quiz. It just makes it more visually appealing, people more drawn towards icons, and it just makes selecting that box a little bit easier. And number 5, again, don't undervalue social proof. It doesn't matter where you are on your site, you can't get enough of it. So underneath the quiz funnel, we put a review, which again just makes me trust this review even more if it's backed up by someone saying the results were fantastic. And number 3, I have optimized their product select or checkout page. So once you get through the quiz, you're cleverly matched with the ideal product. And we start with number 1. We've just reaffirmed those trust icons and text. We've removed the image. It's unneeded. It pushes valuable content below that call to action on mobile. We want to keep all the product selects above the fold because therefore we can then see them all in one view and make our selection. Point number 2 is we've added some highlight labels. We always do this when we bundle or when we have multiple packages. We can highlight the most popular and we can also highlight the best value. Therefore, most people normally go for the most popular, but some people who actually want to save money will then go for the best value. And because you pointed it out to them, your AOV should go through the roof. Number 3 is we've just stayed consistent with that call to action from the homepage. It's the same color, it uses the same terminology, it uses the word now, a pointing chevron, and it's just more likely to get clicked. And number 4, a bit of a running theme with these guys, no social proof. Just anchor that button with a quick review, and therefore, again, people are more likely to trust their decision to buy from you on this page. Okay, guys, so if you're running an e-com brand online and you need help with your optimizations, head on over to ConversionWise.com and see what we can do for you. And make sure you check out the YouTube channel where you'll see plenty more page breakdowns, CRO tips and tricks, and I will see you in the next video very, very soon.